Welcome to my YouTube channel, the English Classroom 14. So today we have a special sentence here where you will learn use of do nothing but करते ही रहते हो, सोते ही रहते हो, सोचते ही रहते हो. So we are going to do this activity here. You can also learn something new. So let's start. तुम सोते ही रहते हो.
You do nothing but sleep.
तुम बात ही करते रहते हो.
You do nothing but talk.
तुम खेलते ही रहते हो.
You do nothing but playing.
तुम खाना ही बनाते रहते हो.
You do nothing but cook food.
तुम डांस ही करते रहते हो.
You do nothing but dance.
तुम टीवी ही देखते रहते हो.
You do nothing but watch TV.
तुम सोते ही रहते हो.
You do nothing but
sleep.
sleep.
तुम देखते ही रहते हो.
You do nothing but
see.
cheat.
तुम गाली ही देते रहते हो.
You do nothing but give abuse.
तुम बैठे ही रहते हो.
You do nothing but sit.
तुम कार ही चलाते रहते हो.
You do nothing but drive car.
तुम गाना ही गाते रहते हो.
You do nothing but
sing a song.
sing a song.
Very good. In past, तुम सोते ही रहते थे.
You did nothing but sleep.
तुम नाचते ही रहते थे.
You
did nothing
but
dance. तुम खाना ही बनाते रहते थे.
You did nothing but cook food.
तुम खेलते ही रहते थे.
You did nothing but
play.
play.
तुम ड्राइव ही करते रहते थे.
You did nothing but drive.
तुम पढ़ाते ही रहते थे स्कूल में.
You did nothing but teach in school.
तुम पढ़ते ही रहते थे.
You did nothing
but study. तुम बैठे ही रहते थे.
You did
nothing
nothing
but sit.
but sit.
हाँ, तुम झूलते ही रहते थे.